Hi guys, my name is Bianca and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I decided to go through my jewelry collection because I am in dire need of organizing it. So this year for Valentine's Day, moving my things out of the way, my boyfriend got me this jewelry box. I told him that I really needed a jewelry box to organize all my jewelry just because I have like this tray and this necklace stand, which I really like and I want to keep using them, but for the aesthetic I want to go for, they're just a little overcrowded and I didn't really have a better way of organizing it. Okay, so let me open this jewelry box so I can kind of visualize it and see how things are gonna be organized or what would look best. So it has these cute little drawers. I don't want it to sound like I'm selling the jewelry box, but I obviously need to explain it. So it even comes with like a little cleaning cloth, and there's a section for hanging necklaces here, and then, you know, just like dividers and whatnot, and the sides come out. Look at this little thing too for your rings. It's so cute. So that's what the jewelry box looks like. It was a gift, but I think it was from Amazon. So if I can find it or something like it, then I will have it linked down below. Let's get started. Okay, so first I'm gonna go through my necklaces. Some things I might just kind of like speed by, and others I'll go through in more detail. Like for instance, like something like this, like so old. Used to wear long necklaces a lot, like in high school, and I guess I just still have this one, but nothing special. Let me try and do this like at the same time. Like it's kind of long to try and hang on this thing. Okay, that one I kind of just threw in, but they won't all be like that. So okay, this one I got for layering. I really like layering necklaces like this when I'm wearing like big graphic t-shirts especially. But this is probably like from Nordstrom Rack or something. This one can maybe stay on the stand. So I have some like more layering necklaces from Lucky brand that again I've just had for such a long time. I kind of like the look of the stone. I might keep that on the necklace stand as well. But this one I will throw in the box. So this was one of those, like, is it called a body chain? It used to be gold, now it has turned a nice chic black, but it's from Brandy Melville from like back in the day. If you guys can remember when these were like the thing, like imagine like summer Pinterest boards with like this kind of stuff. Yeah, it was a whole thing. So this one I will stick just like here on the side. Okay, this more like statement piece I guess from Brandy, again back in the day, but it kind of just looks like a little globe or something. Thought that was cute. Okay, can you guys see a pattern here that I used to really like? Long statement necklaces. Actually, I'm gonna keep this on here. So next, this piece, it's just this little like layered necklace just with pink and purple stones. I actually made this a few years ago. So there's that one. Okay, these two are like kind of coin necklaces. I mean, they are, but they're just not shaped like perfect circles, I guess. These two are from LF, and I just thought they were really pretty. I used to really be into like turquoise as like the statement color. So I will hang these together actually. Here's a very delicate necklace from Brandy Melville. Oh, it's so delicate. I might try and actually put it like in this. Okay, more delicate Brandy necklaces, just small beaded detail there. This one I'll try and put on the side. Next I have this. This necklace I wear all the time, so I'm definitely gonna keep it on the necklace stand. This one is from Madewell. Love this one. This one of those curb chain necklaces. Big statement. This one I got from Free People. It's really similar to the one I'm wearing actually, which is also from Free People. I just love these like big statement necklaces. This one also will be staying on the stand. Now we're getting into some of the necklaces that I wear like a lot. This one is from Majuri, and it has a little, I think it's a lotus flower. Love this one, wear this one all the time. This layered coin necklace with a little cross on it. This one is from Princess Polly. Just thought it was super cute. Again, mostly to wear with like graphic t-shirts. This one I might actually put in the jewelry box. I don't know, we'll see what I end up with on my jewelry stand after I'm done. Another Brandy necklace, big surprise. This one I wear on the occasions where I'm wearing silver jewelry. This necklace I want to say was like a gift from my mom when I was like a kid. This one might go in here as well. Okay, and this one, I have no idea where it's from because it was a gift from one of my friends for Christmas a few years ago. It's just gold with these little pink stones. This one I will put on this side. I'm gonna move this over here. Okay, I rearranged things a little bit, but so far I have put some small necklaces on like the sides here that come out and in this little section. So moving on, let's see. Okay, this necklace I wear religiously. This one is from Jewelry, just a cute little layering necklace. This one will be staying on the rack. These two came together. And these are just two coin necklaces. Like Madewell jewelry is really affordable and it's pretty good quality. Like I haven't really had any issues with my jewelry from Madewell. This necklace is from Forever 21. It's probably something I got sometimes when I'm like on a trip and say I like forgot to pack something or I didn't completely plan out my outfit. I will like run to Forever 21 and just get some small necklaces to layer or just like wear for the weekend. So this one I picked up. I thought it was just really cute. This one I will keep on the stand. This one, just a layering piece from Lucky Brand. It probably came as part of a set with some of the other ones I've shown. This one I will put right in here. This, just a little star necklace. My hands are so dry from washing them so often that my skin is just like cracked. Also, I have an itch, but I can't touch my face. Anyway, star necklace from Brandy. Kind of wear it all the time. I like will either go with my Mejuri layering pieces or I will go with like my Forever 21 / Brandy Melville necklaces. So this one, another Brandy necklace. I basically have it, I have like the exact same one in silver and I have this one but the beads are purple. So this one, the beads are just black. So I will stick it in. Also on this side is where I've been putting my Brandy necklaces. So I'll put that there. And this side is like good to go. This side is like nice and packed. So this one is gold and yes, it has faded a little bit. So I don't get much use out of this one anymore. So I'm gonna start putting some of these on this side. Okay, so next I'm gonna go through more of these dainty necklaces that I have on this side. This one I actually want to talk about with these two. These ones are actually all like kids necklaces technically, where like the chain is really short. I thought that short like choker looking necklaces were really cute. And again, remember I said I really liked turquoise. So I have a turquoise one and a pink one. They're exactly the same, just different colors. And then this pearl one. The pearl one I think I will keep on my necklace stand. Okay, next up, another necklace from Forever 21. This one is actually like a locket necklace. So it just opens up and I haven't put anything in there because I don't have anything that small. I guess I'll keep it on the rack until further notice. So I'll see how everything looks at the end, I guess. This one, another necklace that I wear when I decide to wear silver jewelry. I want to say this one is from Brandy Melville actually. I will put this one over on this side. Okay, this one is my little name necklace. I thought it was super cute. I got this one off of Etsy. I like wearing this one. I like layering it with likely my Mejuri necklaces or my Madewell ones, I guess. This one I will keep on the rack, and then I keep saying rack, but it's a stand. And last but not least, I have this necklace from Brandy. I have one slot left on this side. Okay, so I have successfully condensed my necklace stand, which was the goal. It just looked really cluttered before. I think it looks a lot better, but those are all of my necklaces. Next, I will move on to earrings. Let's do that. Okay, so for my earrings, I recently got this tray off of Amazon. So I have a lot of different types of hoops. So I'm wearing like gold hoops. These came in a 3-pack from Free People, and they came with these. This was like the perfect pack. Actually, if they still have it, I will have that linked below too, but it comes with these and these. I literally love all 3 of them so much. I think the metal has faded a little bit, but I've gotten a lot of wear out of these 3 pairs of earrings. So these I will keep on the tray because I wear them a lot. I have 2 pairs of the same hoops, one in gold and one in silver. I actually do wear these silver hoops every once in a while, like more often than any other silver earring that I have. So I'll keep the gold ones out here, and I think I'm gonna put the silver ones in the box. I have these 2 like dangle ones. These are just little dangle earrings. I think also from Free People, came in a pack. But let me stick these don't know, maybe in the bottom one. Yeah, I'll stick those there. I think they came with these. So these are just little, it's like a little pink stone. You just loop it in and then the stone is showing and then just the bottom is just, yeah, it just looks like that. Cute little hoop-like thing. These, I actually like how they look, so I think I'm gonna keep these on the tray. Okay, so these ones, more just little like gold dangly earrings. These ones I think are from Nordstrom Rack. Sometimes when I'm there, I just like pick up any little gold jewelry that I can find that I like. Those ones I might keep on the tray. I also have these little dangly butterfly earrings. These ones are from Urban Outfitters. They came in a pack. They came with these, and I just really like the trend. It's like little hoops with charms. It also comes with, these ones are like little padlocks, I guess. And they're still on the packaging because I haven't worn them yet. But yeah, I guess that way I can tell you all three of those were in a $18 pack. So if those are still available, I can link those below. Ooh, these are from Free People. These are little gold hoops and they have this really cool vintage looking texture to them. I actually wear these ones all the time because even though they're small, they're still kind of like a statement enough. These ones I want to say are also from Free People and they came with these black ones as well. Or like, I guess they're the same, but they have a little black stone on them. These are cute. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of go through all these like silver diamond stud earrings at once because I think I got them all from my mom. They're a really cool design. Like they all kind of have, they're either like plain, just like diamond looking ones. Okay, I'm gonna try and show you here. Anyway, so these ones are square. Thought these were really cool. Big statement as well, and then there's just like little plain ones, and then these ones are similar to the square ones because they have another like design on the outside, but they're just round. Oh, there you can kind of see it. I'm just putting these on the top section. These are random little silver hoops. I want to say my friend's mom gave these to me. I'll stick these on that empty bottom drawer. These silver hoops and these little gold hoops I got both from the Lucky Brand store a long time ago, and they were just like the perfect size. The silver ones I will put here and the gold ones I will leave out. I have a lot of like random little earrings from like Lucky or Nordstrom Rack or Urban or Forever 21, I don't know, random places. So I don't really know where these are from, but these are just cool little like oval shaped coin studs, I guess. And these are little silver studs. I used to have a lot of dangly earrings like this from Lucky Brand. Since they're silver, I don't get a lot of wear out of them anymore. I just think gold looks better like on my skin tone. These are like the one rose gold pair of earrings that I have. Came in a pack. Why do I buy all those little stud packs? Again, let's say that bottom drawer. These are little hoops from Majuri. I have 2 pairs of them. I wear them on like my first one and my second one sometimes. I think they're called like the midi hoops. Okay, I guess I will just finish my silver jewelry that I have on my tray. These I think are from Lucky Brand. They are just little heart studs. And then I also have these, like I get silver jewelry every once in a while, just like on the off chance that, you know, I need to wear it or something. Those ones came in a pack with these 2 from Free People. This pack of 3 was $38. Probably got it on sale if I'm being honest. So these are just little hoops. Yes, they're still in the box. I'll put them in my jewelry box for now. Okay, another pair of Majuri hoops that I have. They're basically like the same, except they have a little cubic zirconia or something. So this is my thick gold cuff from Majuri. And then I have 2 more. Like I have this beaded cuff here, and then I have the plain like hoop cuff. So that I'll put here too. I'll actually put all my Majuri stuff on one side. And then I also have these little hoops, and these are from Majuri. I'm absolutely obsessed with these. I think these were a gift from my boyfriend. Also, for Valentine's Day, this jewelry box wasn't the only gift he gave me. Not that anyone is asking, but I figured I'd clarify that. Now we can go through rings, and I'm wearing my favorite ones at the moment, so I will finish with those. But here I have a little stack of thin gold rings, and these are all from Etsy. Pretty simple. Some of them are like that hammered look, so they have a little bit of texture to them. I like them here, but they're so like thin. I might just stick them in this thing. These are a couple of Madewell rings. This one's a little star, and this one just kind of looks like this. You can wear it either way. This is another Madewell ring. It's a thick band. Definitely a statement. I really like this one. I actually have 2 of them. Here's my little container of rings. So I have 2 of these from Madewell. I think I got them at Nordstrom actually though. These are super old. I don't even know where I got these, but they just look like that. Ooh, I have a gold pineapple ring. Thought that was cute just to remember my Hawaii trip. And then these are all my silver rings. Actually, I have this one little sunflower ring. I think it's too big for me. Most of my rings are a little bit too big for me. I have really small fingers, so it's hard to find rings that fit, but here are my silver rings. I have this statement ring. I have these 2. This one, I don't remember where it's from. Same with this one, I have no idea. These 2 are from Brandy. These are exactly the same, just 2 different colors. One is white and one is more of a green. So I'll stick those in this drawer. This is like becoming my little secret silver jewelry drawer. These 2 I want to say were from like a local silver store. One is just like stacked hearts, and then this little butterfly, I think it's from the same place. And then this one I want to say I like made in high school. It's just like a plain silver band. These I want to say are from my mom, so probably sterling silver and maybe real diamonds, not sure. This one I want to say is like a random midi ring that I got from Urban Outfitters a long time ago, and I got it so it would fit my finger. Yeah, that one can stay. I don't want both of these out here. Okay, my rings, these 2 are exactly the same. And I want to say that they're like knockoff Cartier rings from like Amazon. I'm actually really happy with them. I got them super recently. And this one, oh, this is my favorite ring right now. It's the gold vermeil dome ring from Majuri. Anyway, favorite ring right now, this dome ring. Yay, it's all filled up. I'm so happy with how this turned out. I'm really happy that all my jewelry is nice and organized now. It was a much needed thing to do. That was everything, so thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you liked this video, feel free to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more of my videos. See you in the next one.